This is all great snorkeling right here. Tons of fish. My hair caught in this. Is it like Velcro right there? Coki Beach is filling up, but it's not bad out here. We only have 2 cruises in the port today, so that's probably why. Short beach, really nice snorkeling, beautiful sand. 14 per person to get here by taxi. We got 2 beach chairs and an umbrella for 20 bucks. I did reserve ahead online, but you could have paid day up. We're probably lucky it's not crowded. It's not glamorous, but it was safe and effective.
We're back.